What's before? That's after. As you can see, there's no noise whatsoever. You see? But then I should say there is one thing that I have noticed sometimes when I am doing tight corners or when I'm parking, I can hear like a small squeak. I can't say if that comes from the fix itself or BMW perhaps hasn't, how to say, the dealership hasn't replaced the part properly. As I understood, I was the first one in Mauritius for them to implement this part. Before, they were just like changing the whole thing, the whole steering rack. And in Mauritius, this whole steering rack, if it's not under warranty, it costs about 185,000 rupees. And to apply this fix, it cost only about 2,000 rupees, Mauritian rupees. But the labor cost was quite expensive, about 15,000 rupees. Still, I'm still better off with 17,000 rupees than 185 plus labor charges to change the whole steering rack. Well, we'll see how it works. So far, so good. Thank you for watching.